In this demonstration of the Align and Distribution tool in Unity, we'll see how to efficiently organize objects in a 3D scene. The tool offers different layout modes, such as line and circle, which can be selected from a drop-down menu. When using the line mode, you can easily adjust the spacing between objects by moving a slider or entering a specific value. Switching to the circle mode, you can arrange objects in a circular pattern around a central point. Checking the Duplicate Objects box allows you to create multiple copies of an item instantly. Notice how the tool provides a real-time preview of the object placement before you commit to the changes. You can customize the distribution further by selecting different axes, like XY or XZ, and adjusting the count and radius sliders to achieve the desired arrangement. This tool simplifies the process of creating complex, orderly structures with just a few clicks.